Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. So today we're back in the e91. Now I've just been tackling a little problem that's really been niggling me and the wife for quite some time, and that basically is the audio auxiliary here. When we bought the car, it used to work, and for the past probably 3 years, that's been greyed out and not actually working. Now at first I thought, excuse the mess, it was the auxiliary port in the armrest, that one there. So basically with that one I bought a new one, fitted it in, made absolutely no difference. So from there I've been looking at wiring diagrams, I've been tracing wires back and everything. Couldn't figure out what the problem was, but obviously this works in the e91, which is just over there. So I thought I'd have a quick go at swapping a few modules around, and we've obviously, as you can see, that isn't greyed out anymore, so we've fixed the problem. So I'll just show you exactly what we've done. So the module in question is this one. Now this is the Bluetooth module. As you can see, they're the part numbers on R1. All I've had to do is match up the part numbers under the BMW LF2, which was the 84.10/9187625. Matched basically as many part numbers as I could up with it. Took this out, refitted the new second-hand one, cost me about 30 quid, and we've got the auxiliary back up and working. Now this module is situated underneath this one, so it's really easy to replace. Two 10mm screws, undo them, this will lift up, then it kind of hooks in at the bottom under there, so that'll allow you to take this out, and then you've got 4 8mm nuts around the side. Obviously if you're doing anything like this, disconnect your battery first, replace all the parts, reconnect your battery, and hopefully that'll fix your problem. As I say, this is something that's niggled me for a couple of years. I thought it was the auxiliary port. I've been retracing wires, etc, and then obviously because I've got the e91, that was working, started swapping a few bits over, and that was my problem. Now it's quite surprising because there's no signs of water damage, anything like that, but obviously it's not working. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you out. As always, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.